Starting Selenium Grid. Starting Selenium Grid. Generally you would start a hub first since nodes depend on a hub. This is not absolutely necessary however, since nodes can recognize when a hub has been started and vice versa. For learning purposes though, it would be easier to start the hub first, otherwise you'll see error messages that may not want to start off with first time using Selenium Grid. Starting a hub. The hub is the central point that will receive all the test requests and distribute them to the right nodes. The hub will automatically start up using port 4444 by default. To start a hub with default parameters, run the following command from a command line shell. jar selenium server standalone 2.44.0.jar all hub. Starting a node. To start a node using default parameters, run the following command from a command line. jar selenium server standalone 2.44.0.jar all node hub localhost 4444 grid register. Regardless, on whether you want to run a grid with new WebDriver functionality, or a grid with Selenium 1RC functionality, or both at the same time, you use the same Selenium server standalone jar file to start the nodes. The default port the hub uses to listen for new requests is port 4444. This is why port 4444 was used in the URL for locating the hub. The port defaults to 5555 if not specified whenever the role option is provided and is not hub. Also, the use of localhost assumes node is running on the same machine as hub. If running the hub and node on separate machines, simply replace localhost with the host name of the remote machine running the hub.